Ever tried editing a photo and wished you could isolate the subject from the background with surgical precision, down to the faintest hair on a person's head or the translucent edge of a leaf? That's where image matting comes in, and today we're exploring a revolutionary technique called that's redefining the boundaries of digital image editing. Let's start with the fundamentals. Image matting creates an alpha matte, a transparency map that separates the foreground from the background. But traditional methods rely on a rough user-drawn mask that's inherently limited. You're forced to manually outline objects, which is tedious and often fails to capture subtle details. The soft gradient of a cloud's edge, the refractive blur of a glass, or the delicate transparency of a spiderweb. Enter diffusion models, the same AI systems that generate stunning images from text. These models excel at understanding complex visual patterns and leverages that power. Instead of it uses simple visual cues, a bounding box, a few scribbles, or a rough mask. The result? A level of detail that traditional methods simply can't match. So how does it achieve this? Let's break it down. At its core, it builds on the prior knowledge of diffusion models, trained on billions of images to recognize realistic textures, edges, and lighting. But here's the innovation. Instead of text prompts, it uses visual guidance. Think of it as teaching the AI with a sketch rather than a description. The process unfolds in 3 key stages. First, a cross-attention mechanism translates your visual input, like a box around an object, into focused attention for the model. This lets the AI zero in on the region of interest. Second, coordinate and opacity embeddings encode spatial information and transparency levels, effectively telling the model, this area is semi-transparent and located here. Finally, a masked self-attention layer ensures the model prioritizes the relevant regions, ignoring distractions. The results? Outperforms existing methods across datasets, handling complex cases like transparent materials or intricate edges with ease. Its output mirrors the quality of diffusion models, but with the precision of a professional matting tool. And the accessibility? The researchers even developed Lite, a lightweight version that maintains accuracy while running faster, ideal for real-time applications on devices like smartphones. Imagine editing photos with the same finesse as a studio-grade tool, right from your phone. Why does this matter? Image matting underpins everything from film VFX to AI art tools. This approach makes it faster, more intuitive, and democratized. Whether you're a designer, developer, or just curious about AI's potential, this highlights how visual cues can transform how machines see the world. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is reshaping creativity, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's one thing you'd love to see AI handle better? Let's keep the conversation going.